Okay, so let's start. Next is explore all avenues. Meaning here is try out everything possible to get a result or solution. Means to do everything to find solution. When we do everything, we try every possible way to find some solution, to do everything to find solution. Do everything to find solution. To get good marks, you need to explore all the avenues. Right? Any sentence you want to frame, explore all the avenues. Hurry up. Frame a sentence. Explore all the avenues. One, I have told you. Explore all avenues. To get good marks, a student should explore all avenues. Hurry up, frame a sentence. Explore all avenues. I'll give you one more example. We have to explore all avenues to fight COVID-19, right? We have to explore all avenues to fight COVID-19. When a ma'am slip, you have used more idioms. He must explore all avenues in order to win the tournament. Correct. It's man, I got it. Means when the person is in difficulty, you explore all the avenue. You have used two idioms there. I explore avenues to win the cricket match. I explored all avenues to win the cricket match. Correct. Okay, next is shake like a leaf. Shake like a leaf. Okay, Asa has also given the sentence. We have to explore all avenues before preparing for the worst. Okay, correct. Shake like a leaf, to be very afraid or nervous. Shake like a leaf, to be very afraid or nervous. When I saw my result, I started shaking like a leaf because maybe you were very afraid, you were very nervous. He shakes like a leaf during exams, correct? He shakes like a leaf during exams. When I went to give interview, I started shaking like a leaf, correct? When I go to give interview, it's when I went to give interview, he shook like a leaf on seeing a lion in front of him. This is also correct. Yes. Okay, last is as plain as the nose on your face. See, nose is quite visible, right? You cannot hide your nose. It is the, you can say, the obvious thing on your face. So its meaning is also same, obvious or easy to see or understand, right? As plain as the nose on your face, it means something that is very obvious or that is very easy to see or to understand. You can say the chapter is as plain as nose on your face, correct? Or frame sentences. As plain as the nose on your face. Frame sentence. He lies. His lie was as plain as the nose on his face. Okay. Then anyone else? It is as plain as the nose on your face to see the cursive handwriting from a distance. Okay. Now what you need to do is, they have given one exercise. Use these idioms, these 8 idioms. Okay, when Riva does mistakes, her mother can recognize as not like this. When Riva does mistakes, it is as plain as the nose on the face. Okay. So use these 8 idioms and fill in the blanks. Hurry up. Use the idioms and fill up. Use these idioms and fill in the blanks. 8 blanks, 8 idioms. I'll give you 1 minute. Done? Correct, Bunny. Yes, Avni, correct. It is very obvious. So it is correct. Done? Yes, correct, Bunny. Second is also correct. If you have done, then I'm going to start reading the sentences. Let's start. First is, I wish she wouldn't call me Kolsum all the time. She herself is moody and pugnacious. It is a case of dash. First, no Tanushka, no Punya, means you are calling someone, you are always ready to fight, and still you are calling someone that they fight a lot. You are at fault already, but you are calling someone, you can say, no, Bani, just wait. Let me get the first answer. Only Bani has given the first answer. Correct first answer. Correct, Avni. It's the pot calling the kettle black. It's black, not back. Black. The pot calling the kettle black. Means you criticize someone for the same fault. We must dash before we decide on a venue for the party. We must dash before we decide on venue for the party. Correct, Bunny. Hurry up. What should we do before we decide a place for the party? क्या करते हैं हम उससे पहले? Before deciding the suitable place for the party, what do we do? Correct, Punya, correct. Correct, Avni. No one way. We explore all avenues. We explore all avenues. We must explore all avenues before we decide on a venue for the party. Next is, we had practiced hard for the annual day and everything dashed during the function. No, Anway, no. But see, before we plan something, उसके लिए हम हर पॉसिबल चीज ढूंढते हैं ना कि ओके दिस इज गुड, नॉट गुड, परफेक्ट, एक दो जगह जाते हैं, तो दैट इज एक्सप्लोरिंग द एवेन्यू. थर्ड इज वर्क लाइक क्लॉकवर्क. Worked like clockwork. Worked like clockwork. Yes, worked like. You have to check the tenses also. Okay. Worked like clockwork. Manvi was so nervous before the competition that she dash. She was shaking like a leaf. She was, Punya, write down, she was. Okay, she shook like a leaf is also correct. She was shaking like a leaf. Both are correct. It is dash that you did not do your work and are just making excuses. Correct, Bunny. It is dash that you did not do your work and are just making excuses. Correct, Avni. As plain as nose on your face. As plain as nose on your face. Next is, as usual, Geeta hasn't finished her assignments. She never dash on time. She never dash on time. Correct, Bunny. Hurry up. All of you need to give the answers. Correct, Avni. Only Bani and Avni, they are giving the answers, and sometimes Punya. Where are others? Correct, Punya. Punya use present tense. It delivers the good. Delivers the goods. She never delivers the goods on time. She never delivers the goods on time. Seventh, when the school bus was constantly late, our parents decided to dash and complain to the principal. Correct, Avni. Our parents decided to take the bull by the horn and complain to the principal. They decided to face the problem, right? My friend started avoiding me the moment he realized I needed money. He proved to be a dash. He proved to be a fair weather friend. Fair weather friend. He proved to be a fair weather friend. Correct, Avni, Hardik, Bani. It's fair weather. Bani, fair weather. Okay, now there are several idioms that have color words in them. Let's study some of these. Waving a red flag to a bull. Waving a red flag to a bull means make someone very angry. कुछ ऐसी चीज करना जो तुम्हें पता है उस इंसान को गुस्सा दिलाएगी ही दिलाएगी, right? So it's something certain to make someone very angry or even violent. Something certain, something, some action or some words you can say that will definitely make the other person very angry. So waving a red flag to a bull makes someone very angry. ठीक है, make someone angry. When you do not submit your notebooks to the teachers, it is definitely like waving a red flag to a bull. Means you will make your teacher angry. Okay. So black eye, black, when in class students talk, when the teacher is teaching and they know they are Yes, Bani, correct. When you talk, that is just like waving a red flag to a bull. Sometimes you will get a slap also, 1 or 2 slaps like that, right? So next is black eye. Black eye, that is simple. A bruise around the eye, मुक्का खाके या कोई भी चोट लग के eyes जो black हो जाती हैं, that is a black eye. Hardik is saying when we spoke to someone unnecessary, it is just like waving. अगर तुम किसी से ऐसी बात कर रहे हो तो वो उसे गुस्सा दिलाएगी, not that way, हार्दिक. Means you know that this particular thing will trigger the other person. उसको गुस्सा आएगा ही आएगा. Maybe तुम कुछ ऐसी बात कर रहे हो जो उसे पसंद नहीं है. In that case, okay. Black eye, a bruise around the eye. जब चोट लगी हो. When Rahul comes to school, it seems like he had a black eye after the fight. Okay. Okay, Bani. Next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely, this we have discussed. Very rarely. We open our books once in a blue moon. Correct? Suitable and relatable. If you have any other sentence, please tell. Yes, hurry up. Get ready with the sentences. After he got his job, he is seen once in a blue moon. He is always busy. Correct, Avni? I see my books in holidays once in a blue moon. Yeah, I know, Bani, I know. This is not your case. I think everyone does the same. I see Ria once in a blue moon. Correct, Gurnoor. The son goes to meet her grandmother in once in a blue moon. Okay. Next is black sheep. Black sheep means someone who is considered a failure or to have done something bad. एक family में everyone you can say is doing a good job, reputed job, and somebody is not at all working, or you can say unemployed. That time you can call that unemployed person the black sheep. Means that person has done nothing good. Got it? Someone who is considered a failure or to have done something bad. Means not at all successful. Weak people are known as black sheep. Okay. Okay. Ria is the only black sheep in her family. This is also correct. Next is go as red as a beetroot. Means with red cheeks because you are feeling extremely angry or embarrassed. ठीक है? रेड चीक्स हो जाते हैं या तो शर्म के कारण या फिर बहुत गुस्से के कारण. ओके. एज रेड एज अ बीटरूट. When your cheeks they go red because of extreme anger or because you are feeling too hot or you are embarrassed. Okay. So for you can write when I saw my result, I turned as red as a beetroot. What do you think? When I saw my result, I turned as red as beetroot. Maybe because of embarrassment or something. After he saw his poor performance in exams, he went as red as a beetroot. Correct, Avni. When elders do ragging of youngsters in college, they turn as red as beetroot. Okay, okay, thoda chal jayega, but not exact, Vani. When we came out home after playing, I became okay. This is also correct, Hardik. This is also correct because you are. Okay. Usually we use this when we are very angry or when you can say you feel you are embarrassed. When Prabal argued with teacher to change his seat, he went as red as beetroot. Jayant is saying this, Prabal. Okay, this is Jevan's answer. Yes. And what about the teacher, Jevan? That time when we lost the match, we turned as red as beetroot. Okay. She was also okay. Now just see her, how happy she is. As I have control to mute you. Next is be white as a ghost. Be white as a ghost. It is to look pale and very frightened. To look pale and matlab rang peela pad jana type. Okay. My friend becomes as white as ghost when she came from a party. From a party. It means you are saying that she was looking pale and she was very frightened. वो डरी हुई थी. Is it like that, Punya? You want to say this? When I saw snake, I became white as a ghost. This is correct. When I saw snake, I was white as a ghost. When I see the lion in the zoo, I became okay. I looked as white as a ghost. Next is blue in the face. Blue in the face means to talk or argue for long time. You just are continuously arguing without coming to any kind of decision, right? So with a lot of effort and for a very long time without success. This can also means you are exhausted. You can say exhausted with from anger because you are continuously arguing. Blue in the face. To talk or argue for a long time. But no success. Example. Hurry up. To talk or argue for a long time. Blue in the face. We should not talk like blue in the face to our elders. No. We shouldn't argue. This way you can write, we shouldn't argue till we are blue in the face with our elders. White elephant, a thing that is useless, although it costs a lot of money, means there's something that is very expensive, but is useless. Maybe you have some dresses like that are costly, but useless. You don't wear the dresses. Next is red herring. Red herring, something which is introduced so as to take the attention away from the main point, means distract from the matter. Red herring means to distract from the matter. Red herring, to distract from the matter. And then is in the pink of health, this in a very good health or excellent physical condition. Now you have to do the exercise. Exercise B, 10 sentences, 10 idioms. Fill in the blanks. Hurry up. No, Hardik, not like that. Wait, Bani, wait. Let everyone write and then we'll discuss. And now this time I want all of you to answer. Not only Bani, Hardik, Punya, Avni. All of you have to participate. Wait, Jayant, wait. Tanushka, that means distract from the matter. To distract from the matter. The exact point. Done? Let's start. When my friends started teasing me about having a girlfriend, I went as red as a beetroot. Went or I turned. Turned is also correct. I went or I turned as red as a beetroot. Next is the palatial house is nothing but a dash as nobody lives there. Yes. No, Karan, it's white elephant. Means it is very expensive but useless as nobody lives there. Though she was safe after the accident, she looked as dash. She looked as no, Jayant, no. It is though she was contrast is shown, so you cannot use in the pink of health. Current second is white elephant. Second sentence, white elephant. Third is though she was safe after the accident, she looked as dash. Correct, Punya. She looked as, don't use be now. Okay? She looked as they have already written. So you have to write white as a ghost. She looked as white as a ghost. Means she still looked frightened and pale. Kartik hit his face in the door and had a dash. Correct, Bani, Avni, correct. Correct, Anushka. Jayant, correct. It's black eye. Black eye. Yes, she and had a black eye. Correct, Bhavika. Then, do not talk about the person who banged his car. It is like dash. Waving the red flag to a bull means this will definitely make him angry. Waving the red flag to a bull. Next is, to do well in sports, you have to be dash. Correct, Bani. To do well in sports, you have to be dash. Hurry up. To do well in sports, you have to be dash. Avni, correct. Bhavika, no. Blue in face so means you have to argue. It's in the pink of health. In the pink of health. Correct. Correct. In the pink of health. Blue in the face means to talk or argue. Next is, you can argue with my uncle till you are dash, but he will never believe you. Till you are blue in the face means you are exhausted with anger. Exhausted, you would be exhausted after arguing, but my uncle would not believe you. 8. In a family of musicians, Naveen is a chemist. So he is considered to be the dash of the family. Correct, Bani? Correct, Jevan. Correct, Gurnoor. Black sheep, right? Black sheep. She is not fond of her sister and talks to her only dash. Only dash. Correct, Bani? Hurry up. She talks to her only dash. Correct, Bhavika? It's once in a blue moon. Correct, Anmol. Once in a blue moon. Last is now obvious. The thief was smart enough to leave clues which were nothing but a red herring to confuse the police, to distract the police. Okay, to confuse the police. No, good, no, white as a ghost we have done. That is third answer. Third answer. Last 10th answer is red herring. Punya, this is fifth answer. Tomorrow we'll start the chapter, the Great Stone Phase 2. Sixth answer is Manasva. In the pink of health. It's in the pink of health. Fourth is black eye. Black eye. It's okay, Bani, we'll do it some other day. We don't have much. You can say, I think 2 or 3 topics of grammar this time. But chapters, we have literature part. Last answer. Yes, Jayant. It's last is red herring. Okay, Avni, I'll try to check in a day or 2. Okay. कितने idioms आएंगे तनुष्का, ये मैं कैसे बता सकती हूँ? Means all exercises you need to do. Okay, then bye.